Willen, congratulations on getting that win. That is such a remarkable, play. Now, my first question for you, what are your thoughts? Because this game, this would be your 31st winning streak so far.
For me po, masaya po ako kasi nakaabot kami ng ganyan, 31st. Pero siguro yan yung magiging way namin na makuha pa rin yung win namin. Dagdagan pa din yung 31st. Ayun.
Now let's talk about your second and third set. That's quite a rare situation. Of course, knowing the Benilde Lady Blazers, hindi kami sanay na merong quite a few rattles and scrambles from the players. What do you think happened inside the court during those sets?
Siguro po, kasi nung pinasok na ni coach yung mga sila ate, siguro may mga lapses po kami na nagkulang kami dun sa loob ng court, nagkakagulo. And then, siguro yung mga sa first ball, doon kami nagkakagulo kasi dahil sa sobrang dikit yung set, nahihirapan yung setter. And then, ayun, lapses talaga. Nagkakaroon kami ng rumble doon.
Okay, so last time out, we've seen and heard Coach Jerry say a few words to the rest of the team. Ano naman, and after that, actually, nabuhayan na kayo, tuloy-tuloy na kayo up until the match point. So, what are your thoughts about it?
Kasi po, gusto po talaga naming manalo eh. Gusto naming makuha agad yung set. And ayaw na namin pahirapan yung sarili namin. So, kailangan namin lumaban talaga. Kaya ganun.
Alright, so once again, congratulations to you and your team. Now, it's your time na para batiin naman ang lahat ng mga kailangan mong batiin.
Hello, binabati ko po yung family ko po sa Cotabato and sa Taguig and sa Barungis. And yung kuya ko po na nasa Kuwait. And yung mga friends ko po sa Cotabato, tsaka yung family ng teammates ko and the CSB community po, thank you po for supporting us.
Alright, so that's it for Willen Estoque, the outside hitter of the Benilde Lady Blazers, Anjo and Anton.